share a workflow for an audio responsive video process, load a video and an audio file. Through this workflow, we can make the video move in sync with the rhythm of the audio, almost like it's ready to use right out of the box. Then, we can also use AnimateDiff rendering to add some stylized effects or make the video smoother and more fluid. Navigate to the AI section of RunningHub or click the link in the introduction to register and get 120 gigabytes with an additional 100 points each day you log in. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online. The left half, which is the core workflow that makes the video move in sync with the audio, comes from this plugin node. This plugin node can create effects like audio response videos and much more interesting things, such as creating particle effects like this. As for the audio response section, my understanding isn't very deep. If you're interested, you can check the workflow yourself. What I mainly want to mention is probably the AnimateDiff section. 2 control nets were used, one for edges and one for depth, a typical combination. Add an accelerated animate diffusion model, combine it with IP adapter for effect transfer, then upscale the result by a factor after sampling to get the final output. The result is relatively high definition and quite interesting. Everyone can take a look. The video responds to the audio because of the processing done in the previous step. This flower now has a special dynamic rhythm. So by capturing this dynamic, we can use control net to get other types, meaning more abstract ones that aren't flowers but still capture motion and respond to audio interest. So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It brought down the prices of many popular models like V2, Colin, and Wanshang. Some specifications were even lower than the official published prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up bit by bit really saves money in the long run.